I'm here at the DCChail booth with Devin. Devin, hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good to make your acquaintance.
Yeah.
So what is DCCchail showcasing here at CCIF?
dcchail is showcasing our new hail estimating scanner. So
Oh yeah.
that's this bright light we're in right now.
I see. All right. Tell me all about it then.
Okay, so basically, you drive your vehicle through.
All right.
It takes about 5 or 6 seconds to drive through it. And then in about 2 or 3 minutes, you have a full count of all the hail dents on your vehicle, separated by size and by panel. And yeah, it's great.
Awesome. Is the scanner available right now?
It is. We are using it currently. We use it all summer out in Spruce Grove, Alberta.
Yep.
There's currently one being operated down in Australia as we speak. And yeah, look forward to using it more.
Cool. And what can we expect from DCCchail in 2020?
Wow, what can we expect? Just, more of the same. Want to get this out here. We've got 8 scanners currently, so we're just hoping for a busy hail year and get to use it a lot more.
Right on.
Yeah.
All right, Devin, thank you so much.
Awesome, thank you.
Awesome.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.